which I use the cabo, or what do you call it, the Autocar, which I'm gonna race. Yeah, it's basically my Friday. What I'm gonna do this weekend. I don't know, not having a very good time. Still staying in Green Bay. Got a new job. It's alright. Nothing to write home about. You know. Anyways, I miss modeling, and I don't know. I think I'm just gonna do my small little videos. I'm not gonna do any group builds with everybody. I'm just gonna do my own little thing. I don't know. I don't talk much. I just kind of keep to myself. Meet people, they all kind of weird and crazy and goofy anyways. And met this guy in Craigslist. He thought he was all, you know, into models, and I thought he was all cool and stuff. And we're talking about starting a club, and he gets all goofy and stupid on, just like a child, and just acting stupid with the stupid comments, with the don't believe me because of something happened to me, and it's just, I don't know, just acting like a fucking psycho right away. So I'm like, I don't know, this is why I don't want to have friends anymore. That's why I just stay to myself. I don't know. They're showing me some pictures now, but I think I don't know how to close videos either, so I'm just gonna say goodbye to y'all. Have a happy Easter. God bless you. Bye. Thanks for watching my videos, and leave your comment too. Really do appreciate it.